Imagine stepping into your bathroom. It is no longer just a functional space, it is a haven of peace. A spa oasis awaits you. Transforming your bathroom is possible. You can create a luxurious retreat. It can be a space for relaxation and rejuvenation. Color sets the mood for your spa bathroom. Soft blues and greens evoke tranquility. White creates a clean and airy feel. Warm, earthy tones provide a sense of grounding. Consider painting your walls in these calming hues. Natural materials add warmth and texture. Incorporate elements like wood, bamboo, and stone. These materials connect us to nature. They enhance the spa-like atmosphere. Think about a freestanding bathtub. Picture it against a backdrop of light blue walls. Imagine large, natural stone tiles on the floor. This creates a sense of spaciousness and serenity. Lighting is crucial for setting a relaxing mood. Opt for soft, diffused lighting. Use dimmer switches to control the brightness. Candles create a warm and inviting glow. Greenery brings life to your spa bathroom. Place potted plants on shelves or windowsills. Choose plants that thrive in humid environments. Peace lilies and orchids are excellent choices. The sight and scent of plants promote a sense of well-being. Luxury accessories enhance the spa experience. Soft, fluffy towels are a must. Invest in a plush bathrobe and slippers. Aromatic candles and essential oils engage your sense of smell. Section 4. Budget-friendly transformations. You don't need a complete overhaul for a spa-like bathroom. Start with simple updates. Replacing your vanity can make a big difference. Consider a floating vanity for a modern look. Update your shower area without major renovations. Regrout or use peel and stick tiles for a fresh look. A new shower head can significantly improve your shower experience. These small changes can make a big impact. They create a more luxurious and relaxing atmosphere. Section 5. The magic of the small touches. Small details can transform your bathroom. Replace old faucets with sleek and modern ones. Add soft rugs for a touch of comfort underfoot. Upgrade your lighting with stylish fixtures. Decluttering is essential for a serene space. Use baskets and trays to organize toiletries. Keep surfaces clean and clear. A well-organized bathroom promotes a sense of calm. These small changes create a sense of intentionality. They show that you care about your space. Section 6. A Spa Oasis Revealed. Step back and admire your transformed bathroom. The serene color palette creates a sense of peace. Natural textures add warmth and character. Calming elements promote relaxation. Your bathroom is no longer just a utilitarian space, it is a sanctuary, a place to escape the stresses of daily life. Enjoy the feeling of serenity as you soak in your tub, breathe deeply, and let the stresses of the day melt away. Section 7. Your journey to relaxation. Creating a spa bathroom is a journey. It's about making choices that promote well-being. It's about creating a space that nourishes your soul. Start small and gradually incorporate elements that bring you joy. Remember, your bathroom should be a reflection of your personal style and needs. For more inspiration and product recommendations, visit website address. Begin